To be a very successful entrepreneur, I believe you have to sleep very well. You have to fold your arms, drink water, eat enough food, sleep throughout the day. Bro, it's not going to work that way. It's never going to work that way. Stand up and do the work. What do you feel like doing? What work do you feel like doing? What aspect do you want people to notice you? You can't get yourself out there if you are in your room sleeping. You just have to make yourself available for people to see before they can call you. You want to become a good businessman? You want to become a good entrepreneur? You are into phone business and you sleep all day because your customers are not there. You want to sleep because your customers are not there, they are not coming. You are in your shop all day long, sitting, opening your leg, relaxing, sleeping, drinking water, and resting. That's the beginning of failure. You're not planning yourself well. You have to plan yourself first. Don't believe you are failing. You don't have to fail. People don't fail to make it up. People stand for what they believe to make it up. You have to stand for what you know is right to get to where you're going to. Don't play over it. You don't have customers in your shop, get out and look for them. People are out there looking for who to fix their device. Make those posters, make those bills out there, put out those billboards. Advertise your product. Make things work out by yourself. If you can't do it, no one is going to do it for you. Just stand up and do that thing that you know how to do best. Pick up those devices and fix it. Call out to people. Do you have something for me? Try me out. I can do it. People don't usually trust lazy people. How will they trust you if you have not failed? Because you're failing, you don't want to try. Who will try? Who's gonna trust you if you have never failed? They only trust people who have failed and they've succeeded. Put out your stories out there. You will find out that people who support you are people who have seen you fail, not people who keep watching your success. At every point in time, you need to fail in order for you to succeed completely. You don't expect that people will just come out and start supporting you for not having failed. They are supporting because you failed at one point, and now you are successful, and that success is what they are going to pay you for. They are paying you for success for losing things in the past, and having lost all those things, and you kept being resilient. You kept being strong. They are paying you to pay back all those losses. You don't have experience of failure. You don't have experience of failure. You will learn to fail first before you become successful. Show me that company that never failed. Show me that entrepreneur that don't know what's failure. It has always been success. Life is never rosy. You're never the first person who is failing. So get up there and do the work. Fail and start again. Fail and start again. Fail and start again. You see me? I failed many times. I've seen failure face to face that you want to quit overnight. You want to quit? If you quit, are they going to put food on your table? Those people that you quitted for their sake, are they going to bring food to your table? Are they going to pay your rent? Are they going to buy you those food? Are you going to buy those clothes? Those flashy cars you want to buy? Those flashy cars you want to drive? You want to see a smart TV in your home? People say you're failing and you're smiling over it and you want to go back to your bed and lie down because they say you are failing. If you can't fail, you can't move. People who move steadily are people who have failed in the past. Go find it out. I failed many times. Yes. People brought device to me. I screwed it up. I didn't screw it up because I know what I was doing. I screwed it up because I want to learn more. I screwed it up because I saw something I've never seen before and I want to see how I can do it and make it better. So I screwed it up. I paid. I learned. Now they pay me for screwing it up. Then, not now. I no longer screw it up. I get it done. What device do you have there? Bring it on. I'll show you how to fix it. Even if I've never seen it before, I'll get it done in your eyes. So don't sleep over that, my bro. From the very first day you discover that this is what I want to do. I want to be a phone technician. I want to build a shop where people will come and patronize me. I want to do that business that people will come over and say, this is what he does. You don't have to take long time. You have to make your decision right away. You don't have to make that thing happen right immediately. Don't think about the failure. Thinking too much will make you never to start. Start it and learn. You've had the ideas. That's why you went out to learn the skill. You already got the skill. Starting up shouldn't be a problem. You start up immediately, you've got the skills. Don't wait until the right time. If you're an African homie like me, you know what you're gonna do? Bro, get out to that store. Tell this man, I need this space. Give me this space. I need to do something for myself. Here's what I'm gonna giving you every time I make a sale. They'll give you that space. You do the work. When you do the work, you pay your bills. You know what? Life rewards those who pay their bills, not those who can't pay their bills. Every time you pay a bill, you have more money in your pocket because more bills need to be paid. When you pay those bills, more money comes to your pocket. You don't make money by hoarding money. Yeah, you can't keep money in your pocket and expect more money to come inside your pocket. It's not going to be done. You got to stand up and do those work. Secure a little space for yourself. Do something and grow by the day. Don't remain stuck because of challenges. Challenges will always come, especially when you're a phone repair technician. Challenge will always come. You mess those phones up. Those screens that you feel you can do better, you see those screens getting you fixed. Be happy they fix you today because tomorrow you're going to eat more. When those phones get you fixed today, be glad because tomorrow you're going to eat more. It's going to bring you more after you've got all the experience. You'll be wondering, am I the one who do this? How was I able to do this? Bro, that's why you're gathering those experiences. When those experiences are there, you subconsciously find yourself doing things that you think you will never be able to do. Then those money keep flowing. Deals keep coming. This is how you multiply your money.